In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on the Smartsheet app. Whether you're working on a big project or trying to decipher some fine print, knowing how to efficiently zoom in can make all the difference in your task management journey. So, let's delve into a few methods to adjust your view in Smartsheet, beginning with the most straightforward approaches, right here on your own device. First off, let's talk about using keyboard shortcuts, an incredibly efficient way to manage your screen view without ever lifting your hands from the keyboard. If you're using a Windows computer, you can easily zoom in by holding down the Ctrl key and then pressing the plus sign on your keyboard. It's intuitive, right? Well, for those on a Mac, the process is just as simple. In this case, you'll need to press down the CMD key before hitting that same plus sign. This will gradually zoom in on your Smartsheet, allowing you to focus on the details that matter most. Now, if you ever find that you've zoomed in a little too far and you want to zoom out, the process is just as simple. For Windows users, hold down the Ctrl key and tap the minus sign. Mac users will do the same, but using the CMD key instead of the Ctrl key. This way, you can easily go back to a wider view without the hassle. Utilizing these shortcuts allows for a much smoother workflow, especially if you're toggling between different projects or needing to quickly highlight specific details. It's a great way to prevent any interruptions in your thought process and stay focused on what's important. However, these steps are not just about zooming in and out. They represent a powerful form of accessibility, ensuring that your work environment is tailored precisely to your needs, whether that means increasing visibility for easier reading or simply adjusting your layout for better data management. It's also worth mentioning that once you've mastered these shortcuts for Smartsheet, you'll find that they're quite similar across many other applications. So, not only are you enhancing your experience with Smartsheet, but you're also equipping yourself with useful skills that can be transferred across a wide range of software environments. So there you have it. With these simple keyboard shortcuts, you can ensure that your Smartsheet view is always optimized for your comfort and productivity. Implement these techniques, and you'll be handling your tasks more efficiently than ever before. Thank you for watching, and happy Smartsheet managing!